Steps for making Chinese tea. Do you know how to make Chinese tea? There are some steps. Let me tell you the steps. 1. Get a Chinese tea set. 2. Prepare a teapot, a tea strainer, a tea pitcher, a hot water dispenser, tea leaves, tea leaf holder, or a teaspoon, and several tea cups. 3. Heat water in the hot water dispenser. 4. Place the teapot and teacups in the deep bowl and pour the heated water onto them to warm up the tea set. 5. Remove the teapot and cups from the bowl. 6. Use the tea leaf holder or a teaspoon to scoop the loose tea leaves from the tea container. 7. Use the tea leaf holder or a teaspoon to pour the tea leaves into the teapot. 8. Decide the amount of water and tea. In general, 6 ounces of water for 1 teaspoon of tea leaves. 9. Put the teapot under the hot water dispenser and pour the heated water into the teapot. 10. Put a lid on the teapot. 11. Heat water to the proper temperature, for example, 85 degrees Celsius to 100 degrees Celsius for oolong tea. 12. Pour the brewed tea into a tea pitcher. 13. Use the tea pitcher to fill the teacups with tea. 14. Discard the tea. 15. Put a tea strainer on the tea pitcher. 16. Keep the same tea leaves and pour the hot water into the teapot. 17. Place the lid on the teapot. 18. Let the tea steep in the hot water. 19. Wait for 30 seconds to 10 minutes for oolong tea to steep. 20. Pour all the tea into the tea pitcher. 21. Use the tea pitcher to fill the teacups with tea. 22. Get ready to drink the tea. 23. Take the first sip, which is a small sip. 24. Take the second sip, which is a big sip. 25. Take the third sip, which is to empty the cup and enjoy the aftertaste. After watching the demonstration of making Chinese tea, do you want to give it a try? Let's drink good tea and immerse ourselves in tea culture. Have fun and take a look at the video of making tea. A tea set includes teapot, tea pitcher, teacup, tea saucer, tea strainer, There are some steps for using tea bags to make tea in teapot. 1. Get a Chinese tea set. 2. Prepare a teapot, a tea strainer, a dip bowl, a hot water dispenser, a tea bag, and several teacups. 3. Heat water in the hot water dispenser. 4. Place the teapot and teacups in the dip bowl and pour the heated water onto them to warm up the teapot. 5. Remove the teapot and cups from the bowl. 6. Heat water to the proper temperature, for example, 85 degrees Celsius to 100 degrees Celsius for oolong tea. 7. Put a tea bag on the bottom of the teapot. 8. Add hot water. 9. Pour hot water over the tea bag in the teapot. 10. Steep the tea bag in the hot water. 11. Pour the brewed tea into a tea pitcher. 12. Use the tea pitcher to fill the teacups with tea. 13. Serve the tea. There are some steps for using tea bags to make tea in a teacup. 1. Boil the water in the dispenser. 2. Preheat teacups by pouring some boiling water into teacups. 3. Put a tea bag on the bottom of a cup. 4. Add hot water. 5. Pour hot water over the tea bag until it reaches the 1 centimeter below the rim of the cup. 6. Steep the tea bag in the hot water. 7. Serve the tea. Now it is the end of the 6th week course.